Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's again by Anne-Julie Aubry, and this one's called Talisman. Okay, and it's a round. As you can see, it says round diamonds, and you see the circle, and it's pink. It's usually pink when it's round, and blue if it's a square. And it comes always in a very shiny box. It says scan me and you can unlock 10% off. And the back, it says how it works step by step, what's inside the kit. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So guys, I bought this a while back, but Diamond Art Club still sells it, and I believe it's on sale right now. So first time I saw this painting, I absolutely loved it. So my friend and I decided that we would work on this one together. So let's see. Well, it's an old toolkit because, like I said, it's been in Diamond Art Club for a while, but it's an absolutely stunning painting. All right, so let's see what we have here. So we've got the pen, we've got the grip for the pen. I believe it's called a comfort grip. It's supposed to help with your fingers. Okay, and it comes with wax, 2 heart-shaped wax, a tray, and the resealable bags. This is so you put your drills in just in case you don't have any other containers around with you, and a placer. I think this is like a, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a 5 placer. I have no idea. I still do the single place. Okay, and the canvas, they all come in this bag to protect it while it's traveling. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Okay. How's everyone doing tonight, huh? They're saying that we're getting an Arctic blast this weekend, I believe on Friday. So, not looking forward to that. All right, so let's see what's in here. So we've got the drills, the instructions, all right, and the sticker. Okay, I think I already, let's see, I think I put, yeah, it comes with 2 stickers, but I already put the one of the stickers at the bottom of the box. Okay, and then the other one I'm going to use for my logbook. So it says Talisman or Talisman by Anne-Julie Aubry. You put the start date, the end date, and it comes with the pre-cut stickers, so you can use these on your container or containers. And then it comes with the step-by-step instructions. It says thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks, how it works, 10% off your next purchase using coupon code thank-you10. All right, so let's put that aside. These are the beautiful drills. It comes with a sticker, so basically it tells you that it belongs to the painting Talisman. Okay. All right, so we'll look at that later. The canvas, all the Diamond Art Club canvases are super soft like butter, and they're made with a very it's a heavy-duty fabric to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay. So on the top it says, "Do what makes you sparkle." Diamond Art Club. It comes with 2 legends. Okay, one on the left upper side and one on the bottom right hand side. Let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous, guys. Let me just roll her, because you can with this canvas. So I'm going to roll it just to make it a little flat. She's been in the box for a long time. Poor Talisman. She's been in the box. Okay, I can't wait to start this one. All right, let's see. So let's look at the bottom very quickly here. All the Diamond Art Club always has a picture of the painting. It's from Diamond Art Club. The name is called Talisman. It's 20 inches by 26 inches. It's 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters, which is, I think, perfect, the size. It's by Anne-Julie Aubry, Diamond Art Club. Okay, and in the middle, again, take 10 for 10% of your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then, of course, you have the lifetime warranty. You also have the free diamond spill insurance. You have the 10% cashback rewards with every order, and not forget the 30-day money back guarantee. Okay. And let's look at the legend very quickly. The legend, basically, it tells you how many colors there are. If you look at it, it's got 34 colors, and it's got 2 ABs. So it's got 32 colors plus 2 ABs, which is 34. And then in the middle, you will find the symbols, which is in the painting, and of course the DMC codes. All right, now let's look at this beautiful painting. Let me tell you a little bit. Anne-Julie is a French artist who has a passion for arts and crafts, and also her artwork has appeared in books and magazines. And let's not forget that she's got, this is the fourth, she's got 4 paintings that she sells at Diamond Art Club. And one is, I did 2 unboxings. One, I did the unboxing for Blue Field Memories, Purple Meadow, and then there's Moonlight Bride, and then this one, Talisman. Okay, so you know what I love about this painting, guys? It's just very calming and very elegant. I just love her dress. See? And I don't know, it looks to me, and of course she's got a bouquet of flowers. She's got flowers on her hair. She's got this beautiful long black hair. She's absolutely stunning. And then, but when I look at it, like I said, it's very calming. I love the blossoms. The blossoms have like a, I believe they're like red, like a crimson red, I believe. The rendering looks great. It's very clear. I'll bring it up so you can see it. She's got like a butterfly on her back. I don't know if that, I think that's a tattoo. Love the background. And if you look around her, there's like, it looks like it's like a lacy pattern. It's like a glow. So it's so pretty. I just love this painting. And it also reminds me, I mean, it's a very elegant painting, but it also reminds me of like Christmas, like celebrating Christmas right now and New Year's Eve. I don't know, I just love it. Anyway, so let me bring it up so you can see. Okay. I don't know. Okay, good there. Those are the crimson flowers, blossoms. Her beautiful face. Look at that. Her eyelashes. Or maybe you blink the eyelashes. And there goes the butterfly on her back. And more flowers. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. All right, so super sticky, super clear. All right, so I'm gonna move it aside so we can look at the drills. All right, let us begin. 310, we have only 2, believe it or not. So this one's black. Let's put it here. Hopefully you can see it. 321 is red. 321 is red. 355, very, very little of 355. This is terracotta dark. 498 and 498 is red dark. 605 is cranberry, very light. 644 is beige, beige gray medium. 666 is red bright. And 699 is green. Looks like a very Christmas green. 738 is tan, very light. 739, you have 2 bags, and 739 is tan, it's actually ultra very light. And 779 is cocoa dark. 814 is garnet dark. And 841, we have 2 bags of 841, and this is beige brown light. This one is 894, and this is carnation very light. 9 917 is plum medium. Coffee brown, 938 is coffee brown, ultra dark. Oh, 915 is plum dark. So actually this goes here. So we got these both are plum. One is light and one is dark. 948 and 948 is peach, very light. All right, 3346 is hunter green, And 3371 is black brown. 3705 is melon dark, and 3706 is actually melon medium. 3770 is tawny, very light. Yeah. 3772 is desert sand, very dark. And 3777 is terracotta, very dark. I love this color. 3801 is melon, very dark. Do we have space here? Oh yeah. Okay. 3830 is terracotta. 33, oh, I must have, okay, I did not. Okay, this one's actually 3346, and this is hunter green. It's somewhere around here, but we're going to leave it there for now. 3857, and 3857 is rosewood dark. 3860 is cocoa, not pretty, cocoa. And 3864 is mocha beige light. And this is the last one, 3865, and this is actually called winter white. All right, so those are the colors, guys. As you can see, we have lots of, like, in the pink family, red, brown, and tans. Okay, let's move all these aside, all the beautiful colors. And these are the two ABs. So the two ABs is 132, and it's a very light orange, very sparkly. And then you have 133. It's also an orange, but it's a darker orange. It's like a yellow orange, actually. All right, so let's look. Let's bring back the painting, and let's see where these ABs belong. Okay, so if you look at the legend is 132 is the symbol is 1. So wherever you see 1 on your painting, that's where it goes. All right, so let's see. Let's bring her down here. So no 1's up here. I see lots of 2's, which is going to be this one around the flowers. No number 1 there. Okay. Interesting. So let's see. Is it down here? I see. Okay, right down here. So you have 1's here on the flowers, and you have lots of 2's scattered. So it looks like it's just going to be on the flowers. Okay, the sparkle or the extra shine. And where would you add more sparkles or ABs or crystals or sparklers? Maybe on her lips? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Or maybe on her eyelashes? Or even the butterfly? Anyway, she's absolutely gorgeous. And so like I mentioned, I'll be working on this one with my friend. And tomorrow, probably tomorrow, I will do the kitting up for this one. So if you have this one, we could all work on this one together. All right, so I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you, and bye-bye.